Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to find your Facebook friends list by date on your PC using the latest update. This feature allows you to organize and filter your friends based on specific time periods. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Under this section, click on Activity Log. This is where you'll find various tools to manage and view your activity on Facebook. Now, look at the left-hand side of the Activity Log page. Under the category labeled Connections, click on Friends. This will take you to a detailed view of your friendships and interactions. From there, select your friends. At the top of this page, you'll notice an option labeled Date. Click on it to open a filter menu. Choose the desired time period for which you want to view your friends list. Once you've selected the dates, click Save Changes. Facebook will now display your friends list filtered by the specified date range. And that's it. You've successfully organized your friends list by date on Facebook using your PC. This feature is perfect for tracking connections made during specific periods, whether for nostalgia or organization purposes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from learning how to use this feature. See you next time.